Hello everyone. What you see on the screen is a perfectly spherical watermelon. Now a sphere has no flat surface. It has only one surface which is curved. So its curved surface area is same as its total surface area because there is only one surface, right? Which is equal to 4 pi r square. But if you take this solid sphere and cut it through the middle with a blade, it gets divided into two equal parts as shown over here. Each equal part is called a hemisphere, which literally means half sphere. While a sphere has only one curved face, when it is divided into two equal parts, its curved face is also divided into two equal curved faces. So if CSA of a sphere is 4 pi r square, CSA of hemisphere will be half of CSA of sphere, which is half of 4 pi r square, that is 2 pi r square. So curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Now let us talk about total surface area of hemisphere. Total surface area is the entire outer area of a 3D object. It includes all the surfaces, flat, curved, top, bottom, sides, everything you would need to paint, wrap, or cover the object completely. In a hemisphere, the total surface area is made up of this curved part, the green part of watermelon in this case, which is the CSA of hemisphere. And this flat part, the red part in the watermelon, this flat part is also called base, which is actually a circle if you notice. So we add this area of base in order to get total surface area. Now CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. And the area of base which is a circle, area of circle is given by pi r square. So we add pi r square to it. And 2 pi r square plus pi r square is 3 pi r square. So the total surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Let us look at one example. We need to find the total surface area of this given hemisphere. The radius which is given to us is 7 centimeters. Now we know that total surface area is given by curved surface area plus area of base. CSA is 2 pi r square, area of base is pi r square. So the TSA is 3 pi r square. Let's put in the values. 3 into pi is 22 by 7 into r square, that is 7 square. So the 7 would cancel out with 1 7 from here, which would leave us with 3 into 22 into 7. 3 into 22 is 66 into 7, which is 462 centimeters squares.